Dawud Islami's publisher Maktabatul Madina's published renowned booklet of Shaykh al-Tariqat Amir Ahl Sunnat Damat Barakatuhumul Aliyah, a brief biography of Imam Ahmad Raza Khan alayhi rahmatur rahman, consisting of 16 pages, states on page 10, Ala Hazrat rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi never let the poor go empty-handed. He rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi would always help them. Even in the last moments of his life, he made a will to his relatives to look after the poor, to serve them delicious food, and never to rebuke them.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।